Raju Manji, and in this video lecture I will discuss about data communication. So data communication is nothing but exchange the information between the person to the system to the mobile or so on. So communication is nothing but the exchange the information or the data. Whatever the communication, the data communication is the data or the information we are communicating from one system to another system. So this can be local or the remote, between the individual, local communication, or to face the face. While remote communication take place over the distance, the term telecommunication, which includes telephone, telegraphy, and the television, means the communication at a distance. The word data refers to the information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. So the definition of data communication. So data communication is the electronic transmission of information or data that exchange between two devices via some form of transmission medium such as wire or without wire. So data communication is what? Communication the data between two systems. Suppose that there are two systems A and B. A and B. So A is a system and B is a system. Suppose I want to send data system A to B. So data can be transmitted A to B. So A is a sender and B is the receiver. Or this is the wire. It is the media to transmit the data from wire or without wire. So this is the device. This is the device. We transmit data from A to B or one system to another system. So it's the required some form of transmission media. So this form of transmission media here is a wire transmission media. This may be wire, cable, or wireless. This is the definition of data communication. So what is the component of data communication? To transmit to data from one system to another system. So there are 5 components are used to transmit to the data from one system to another system. So component of data communication: message, sender, receiver, medium, and protocol. Message is nothing but data. It is the text. It is the message. So the message is the information or data to be communicate. Popular form of information include text data, include number, picture, audio, and video, or the GIS data, that means geographical information system. So data may be different form. So sender, next sender. Sender is the device that send the message. That means this is the system A and this one is the system B. So data can be transmitted from A to B. So this one is the message. This one is the media or medium. Or there are 5 components are used to transmit the data from A to B. So first of the message. Second is the sender. The sender is the device that sends the data or the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, video camera, or so on, to the transmit the data from one system to another system. Next is the receiver. Suppose it is a sender or it is the receiver. So receiver is what? Receiver is the device that receives the message. So it can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, or so on. Then the transmission medium. What is the transmission medium? Transmission medium is a physical path by which a message travels from sender to the receiver. For the example of transmission media include a twisted pair, wire, cable, fiber optics, or the radio waves. We can transmit the data from one system to another system. And next, last is the protocol. Suppose I want to transmit the data from A to B. There are 5 components are used. First, the sender. Second, message. Third, media. Fourth, receiver. And fifth is the protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that governs a communication. It represents an agreement between the communicating devices. Without a protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicating. Just as a person speaking French cannot be understood by a person who speaks only Japanese. So, the communicating between two devices. Suppose I want to send data system to A to B, that means sender, receiver, message or the data, medium and the protocol. Protocol, that means set of rules, that means N1, N2, N3 or so on. Or last, and the receiver are used to the protocol N1, N2, N3 and Nn. That means number of protocol are used to send data from sender to receiver. So it is the data communication. So data communication is the exchange the information between two systems. So data can be transmit the sender to receiver. So there are 5 components are used to transmit successfully one system to another system. So next video I will discuss transmission signal or medium, how to transmit it. So next video I will discuss transmission, media and protocol. Thank you.